Namaskara. Welcome back to IndLangs, Learn Indian Languages. And then here we are learning Read Write Kannada series. In this particularly, we are learning about Kaagunita. So in previous videos, we have discussed how the box structure, we are representing all consonants as box structure, and then that box will be repeated as that box will be combined with the different vowels and what will be the output. So in this video, we shall repeat the same thing, but along with that, we will represent them in English. How do we represent them in English? That we will learn. Okay. So now let's start. So this is my box. Okay. And now what I am doing is I am interacting it with a. This box is combined with a. So the output is like this. This we have already studied. So now what I will do is for this box in this particular video, I will represent it as X. And this is my A, so this will be representation will be A. Suppose if this letter is K, then the X will become K, so it will become K-A, K. If it is G, then it will become G, G-A, G, etc. So now what is the next one? This is my box and I am combining it with R, so my box structure will become, so this is my structure. This is how the Kaagunita form will change. So this will be, X will remain as it is, but here it will be double A. So my XAA. Okay. What is next? My box is interacting with E. So this will be whatever is the box. I'm just representing it as E. As I told earlier, this E structure will change. It depends on the consonant, and it will also change the basic structure of the main letter. So that we will see when we write each individual letters. Letters means consonants. Okay. So this is my box and E is represented as I. So it will become XI. Next is my box is there and then the big E, and here this will be with Dirgha. The same will be repeated along with Dirgha. This structure already you know. And here E will be represented as double E and here it will be XEE. Next is my box structure plus U. So this will become whatever is your main letter, you have to add a small tail to it. So what is the English representation? X plus U, it will become XU. My box structure plus U, the big U, and it will be same as the previous U. Only thing is you have to attach here the big tail. What is the small tail and big tail that I have already explained in the symbols video? Please go and visit that video if you want to know about more about symbols like Dirgha, small tail, big tail, combo, whatever I am explaining here. Okay. So this will be my X and this is OO. So this will become XOO. What is next? My box structure is interacting with Ru. So this will be my the main letter, and the Ru symbol is will be coming here. So X plus RU I'll make capital RU. So it will be X capital RU. Okay. And what next? We are left with A, I, O, O. Box structure should interact with the A, I, O, Aha. Okay. So here I have my box structure and I am making it to interact with A, and the output will be like this. Okay. And X plus E. So here it will be XE. So next is my box structure plus A. I'm interacting with the capital or bigger A. So this the structure will repeat here. Along with that, you have to add a Dirgha. So X will be as it is, and for A we have represented with the capital E and it will become XE. Then my box structure is interacting with I. So the base structure will remain as it is, and I have to add a I symbol down. And English representation will be XAI, so it will become XAI. This X, please note this X will be replaced with the corresponding letter going further. Okay. Next, AAI is over. What is next? O. So box structure interacting with O. So this is the output. And how do you write? X, O is O, so XO. Next, bigger O, that part we will write. Box structure O plus O, big tail, and then Dirgha, so X capital O is equal to XO. Next we have box structure, Au, box structure, Aukara symbol added to the box structure. So this is XOU, it will become XOU. Aukara. What is next? We have and Aha. You know already how to write and Aha. This is my box plus Amkara, which will be equal to box with a combo and then Sonne. This is X, AM or AN. Both are fine. So I'll write it XAM. Next, Aha. So same thing. Box plus Aha, which is equal to box with a combo and then two circles, one below the other. X, AHA. So output will be XAHA. So in this particular video, what we did is we basically we repeated the structure, the box structure, which is nothing but a consonant, and we made it interact with the vowels, and we got the output. And for these three elements, that is the box structure plus vowels equal to the output, we have represented it with the English representation. And for box structure, which is generic structure, I have taken it as a X, and for all vowels, we have used the English representation as we have used earlier in our vowel video. Okay, so please note, whatever English representation I am using, this is only with respect to this class. To make it easier, I am using this English representation. Okay, hope this is clear. So I request you to practice this. Okay, write it 5 times, 10 times, so it will be easy for you to remember these structures. So in the next video, we'll start with how to write and how to apply this on individual consonants. Okay, so thank you. If you are interested to learn spoken Kannada, then I have written 3 books. Okay, so the first book is Spoken Kannada Level 1, where you will learn, it's a beginner level book, where you will learn the most frequently used, day-to-day used Kannada words. The second book is Spoken Kannada Level 2. It's an intermediary level book where you will learn how to frame sentences using the words that you have already learned in Spoken Kannada Level 1 book. Okay. And the third book is Spoken Kannada Level 3 and 4, which is an advanced level book where you will learn more about verbs, tenses, and then verb rules. So these are the 3 books that I have written for the Spoken Kannada, and if you are interested to learn Spoken Kannada, I am sure these 3 books will definitely help you to learn Spoken Kannada. Thank you.